Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save time with Google Workspace, full guide step by step clearly. Google Workspace offers a suite of tools designed to streamline your workflow. To save time, start by organizing your Google Drive effectively. Create folders for different projects or types of documents. Use consistent naming conventions for easy searching. Next, leverage Google Docs for collaborative writing. Invite team members to edit simultaneously to gather feedback in real time. Utilize comments and suggested edits features for seamless collaboration. Move on to Google Sheets for data management. Make use of templates to avoid starting from scratch. Employ functions and formulas to automate calculations. Switching to Google Calendar can help manage your time better. Share your calendar with teammates to coordinate schedules effortlessly. Set reminders for important tasks and deadlines to stay on track. Explore Google Meet for virtual meetings and presentations. Utilize screen sharing to enhance understanding during discussions. Record meetings for those who cannot attend live. Integrate Google Workspace apps for enhanced productivity. Use Google Keep to jot down quick notes and ideas. Sync these notes across devices for easy access. Consider using Google Tasks to prioritize your to-do list. Link tasks to Google Calendar to visualize your workload. Automation tools like Google Scripts can further save time. Create scripts to automate repetitive tasks within your documents. Explore Gmail's features like templates and filters. Draft templates for common responses to save time on emails. Set filters to sort incoming mail automatically. Utilize the integration of Google Chat for quick communication. Use channels or group chats for project-focused discussions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.